going for a ride on the Business Spur, I-75 Business Spur in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. We are under blizzard conditions and we are to stay off the roads. Everyone is supposed to stay inside unless you have to be to work. But that means for me, let's go outside and take pictures. Let's see what's going on. So, yeah, I've seen people stuck all over. So, if I know I stay on this road, I should be good though. Go really slow, then find a good turnaround, and then just come back after I'm done with this video. Quite a few cars out though. It's snowing and blowing. Let's see, the oil change place here is probably closed. Yep. Not too many restaurants are open in town. I did notice McDonald's and Pizza Hut were open. This is always a really bad area here. Look at all the snow. The lights up there are sideways. So, I don't know what's happening. These cars are crawling. This road here is closed a lot. Huh, that's weird. It's so weird because all of a sudden it'll be like the sun will come out for like 5 seconds and everything is completely clear, easy to drive, and then all of a sudden it's a complete whiteout. I guess I better put my lights on. There we go. I'm sure no one can see anything in this video because all it is white. All white. You can see the car ahead of me now a little bit. There are businesses, but they're all buried back there. There's a snowplow. They're all buried. Now the wind is picked up again. So, it's not too good right now. And this is just on a road where it's like 35 to 45 mile an hour. Everyone's going about 10, which is good because then you can just take your time, get a nice video here.